everyone, it's Karen, and in this video we're going to be talking about, is YouTube Shorts the next TikTok for YouTube? I know people who have absolutely exploded their YouTube channel from TikTok by directing traffic back to their YouTube channel. They showed their analytics, and that's when things really started to take off for them. Well, can YouTube Shorts do the same thing? Maybe. I saw someone who said he had 21 subscribers. He posted one YouTube short that went viral, over 2 million views on it, and it caused his channel to go from 21 subscribers to over 4,000 subscribers in just a couple weeks. Well, will those subscribers and watch time count toward monetization? We're going to talk about that. And will those subscribers stick around? I'm going to share with you all the facts that I've learned about YouTube Shorts, so make sure you stick around till the end because this is really exciting, the potential it has to really cause your channel to grow and to increase your revenue. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, so what is YouTube Shorts? Essentially, it is YouTube's version of TikTok and Instagram Reels. And again, it's a vertical video lasting up to 60 seconds. And these short clips are made discoverable on the front page of the YouTube app via what YouTube's calling the Shorts shelf, a side-scrolling display of clips in the main feed. And it lets you create short videos right from your YouTube mobile app, and everyone can create, and it doesn't matter the number of subscribers you have. Like if you want to do YouTube stories, you need at least 10,000 subscribers, but with YouTube Shorts, you can literally have 0 subscribers. And I found in my research that you cannot monetize, and it won't count towards your monetization for your channel, these short videos. So YouTube officially announced the launch of Shorts in India in late September, where it's looking to fill the gap left by the removal of TikTok, and the early beta of YouTube Shorts is being tested in India. But YouTube said that if you don't have access to the Shorts camera yet, you can still upload your existing vertical videos that are less than 60 seconds using the hashtag Shorts in the title or description. And they said they'll be testing out a section on the YouTube homepage to highlight videos created from the Shorts camera, as well as any vertical video up to 60 seconds that has been uploaded to YouTube. So that could be even years ago that you have a video that you uploaded that's 60 seconds or less that they'll start to highlight on the homepage. And then they said they'll be rolling out even more ways to find Shorts over the coming weeks. Stay tuned. Let's take a look at some examples. Now, Mr. Beast, if you don't know who he is, he has probably close to 50 million subscribers, at least on his other channel. I know last time I looked it was like 44 million. But he created a YouTube Shorts channel, and you can see how fast his channel has grown. Of course, he does have already a following. But if you take a look at when he created this channel, it was August 21st, 2020. And he doesn't have that many videos on his channel, and he's already over 2 million subscribers. So you can see that these short videos can really grow your channel fast. All of his videos have over 1 million views on them. So you can take a look at his channel as an example, but you don't have to create just a channel around Shorts. You can add this to your existing channel and help grow your subscribers and your revenue. Here's another example I want to share with you that Jake Fellman, it looked like he started this channel back in 2012. And then he decided to take advantage of the Shorts videos. So if we go down here, you can see that he had videos about Photoshop, and he was getting like 2.5k views, hundreds of views. Well, look what happened when he started putting these shorts on his channel. Now, this doesn't have anything to do with what he was currently posting about, but look at all these videos. He's getting millions of views on these shorts that he's posting on his channel. So I'm sure that this helped his channel to get a lot of subscribers, because now he has 561,000 subscribers. And I'm guessing that when he was posting videos like this, he probably didn't have that many subscribers. So he's really posting a lot of short videos. So you can take a look at his channel and see what he's doing. And here's another one that I found. He started his channel in 2013, and I'm sure that he didn't have this many subscribers before he started posting shorts, 208,000. But if we look at his videos, I guess he had his channel since 2012 and he wasn't posting, but he just was doing some random videos like when coronavirus entered. I mean, he's probably doing some funny videos here, but they don't have many views. And then look what happened when he started posting his shorts. He started getting millions of views on just these 5 videos right here. And I'm sure that helped his channel to get over 200,000 subscribers. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation that has allowed me to get checks like this in the mail, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and check it out if you'd like. And one other example I wanted to give to you is, let's say you had a video from years ago that was 60 seconds or less. That can be picked up by the YouTube algorithm, and you can start to get a lot of views on that. An example is this woman right here, Ashley Borden. She has a fitness channel. And you can see that she does fairly well on it. She gets a few hundred to 1,000 views. But if we look at her most popular video, was done 6 years ago. It's 56 seconds long. How to tie your running shoelaces and save your ankle, knees, and hips. Now, I didn't know that there was a way to tie your running shoe. I just tie it the way that I tie my shoe. But apparently there is a way, and she has 1.5 million views on it. That's because it got picked up by YouTube Shorts. So you can see this can really grow her channel just from this one video, because then people are interested in subscribing to her channel because she has good content. So I wanted to mention to you, in my research I found that people say that it can take 24 hours, a week, or even months for the YouTube short to blow up and time for the algorithm to pick it up. So sometimes it takes off right away, but sometimes people said that it was just like not very many views, and then all of a sudden it got a lot of views, like maybe a week or a month later. So don't think that this doesn't work if you post a short and it doesn't get views right away. Just give it a little bit of time for the algorithm to pick it up. And then I wanted to give you some tips that I found in my research on YouTube Shorts. First thing is, make sure that the video is complete in itself. Don't have it be a video that you're pointing them to another one of your YouTube videos. You want it to be a great video all in itself in that short amount of time. And some people on TikTok will point back to their YouTube channel, which is fine, but you want to make sure, again, that this is a complete video in itself, and they wouldn't take content from TikTok and post it on your YouTube short. And I think that people are doing that and taking content there that's not even theirs and posting on YouTube Shorts, which I definitely wouldn't recommend. But your video should create curiosity, inspire someone, make people laugh, or short tutorials would be good also. You want to have a great title, and that's going to be a little bit harder because you only have 40 characters, so you really need to grab someone's attention with a great title. You want to add the hashtag shorts to your title or your description so that it can be found easier by YouTube. And an idea for you is you can also repurpose content and edit to use all the best parts of a video. So you wouldn't necessarily have to create all new videos. You could go back, and if you had a really great part of one video, you could just use that if it made sense all by itself. And you want to have a clear statement of what your channel is about, because somebody's going to be watching this short video and then they want to subscribe, but they want to make sure what is this channel about. And then you want to have a call to action to subscribe to your channel. So this is still in beta. People are still figuring this out. But I would say YouTube Shorts is a way that you can exponentially grow your YouTube and get discovered. I saw people, as I said in the introduction here, that they had 21 subscribers and they had one short that went viral, and then they had over 4,000 subscribers just in 2 weeks. So it has the potential to exponentially grow your channel and again get discovered. So I think if you're going to do it, now is the time to jump on YouTube Shorts, because not a lot of people are using YouTube Shorts. So do you think you're going to be using YouTube Shorts on your YouTube channel? Comment down below. If you're already using YouTube Shorts, let us know how it's working out for you, how it's helping your channel. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up, how to make $7,500 per month re-uploading videos on YouTube. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.